As you can see, I have placed the drone exactly to north, as you see on the compass, and I'm now going to the controller, because from what I can see, the controller does not point to north. As you see, I have placed it the same direction. This is north. I'll double check it with the compass. You can see that the icon for the controller points not to north at all, and the drone points directly, so the drone compass is correct, but not the controller compass. So if I change, yeah, here is easy to see. The compass of the controller points 90 degrees wrong, and I have tried calibrating it, but the funny thing is that it won't let me. So if I do calibrate here, compass, and start calibration, it just says done straight away. And as you can see here, it's still pointing the wrong direction. Notice that both of the controllers are pointing north, or I have set them to north, and there's a huge difference where the controller points on the map. The RC Pro 2 is totally off. The RC2 is a little bit off, but within acceptable. So what's wrong? I'm actually pointing towards north. It's not quite correct. The correct north should be about here, but at least when I turn around, you can see that the controller also registers that turn. You see the road ahead of me, it's directly parallel now. I was asked to calibrate the compass before I did this, so I guess it should be okay. Let's see if I turn again. And that should be north. Let's see if it's yeah, it changes a bit here and there. Well, there you see north. It's not quite correct. But anyway, as you see, I'm turning around now, and it does react. Let's just double check one thing. See if I try the compass. I've now downgraded because that was the only option I had when I connected it to Assistant 2. Start calibration done. So I'm not even getting a chance to calibrate. And it doesn't say anything about problems with the compass. I'm now pointing to north. So if I turn around now, I'm turning, nothing happens. So there's no reaction at all. So something is wrong with this compass in the controller. I mean, turning, still turning around, nothing happens. And it's currently now pointing south. Something definitely wrong.